So the SBRI process has been really interesting for us because we were developing a mask for the purposes of COVID and trying to develop that relatively quickly for reusable masks. And then we saw the transparent opportunity to take the mask design we came up with to a transparent level using the SBRI opportunity. And when we bid, it took us a couple of weeks to get the proposal into the SBRI team, but they were really quick at coming back to us. And they were really quick at getting the feedback to us as to where we would go next and what the process would be. And it was probably a couple of weeks after that we actually began the work with them. And they were kind of mentoring us along the way, providing us a bit of support when we didn't know people. They would introduce us to specialists in the field of masks or in the field of contamination, where we had some deficiencies in our team, and we were able to go and use that to support us really advancing our design.
Personally, I found working with SBRI exceptionally easy. Of all the grants we've applied to in this company and others that I've been involved in, the SBRI process was quick. It took less than 2 weeks from application to knowing that we've been awarded the fund, and the fund kicked in almost immediately.
So I would say it's a really good experience to get involved with people who are from the SBRI side, who are really energetic and forward-thinking and make things happen. And from the business side, for people who have very innovative, who've got a lot of blue sky thinking, who are creatives, who would really want to put right what's poor design really, or what isn't appropriate for the design that you need at that particular time.
They helped test the mask and the application so that we could see that we were on the right track with regard to the fit of the mask to the face. They also put us involved with experts that knew about what materials to use, what the regulations were regarding the masks. So it was extremely useful to get those experts' advice and their mentoring.
Yeah, I think working with SBRI, it's a really good adventure really, because it does take you through aspects of work that you're never going to encounter. I've previously never encountered within my work within the NHS, working with leaders in industry, working with business leaders.
If you were a small business now looking to develop a new product that SBRI could fund, I would certainly recommend that they were one of the better funding bodies we've worked with. Primarily, I think the process is incredibly easy and you'll know very quickly whether or not you're fundable or not. But secondly, the contacts and the experience and the mentoring they give you is fantastic.